In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Joke of the Day Part 2. First, you need to get the Google Doc. Make sure you place this presentation inside your folder for Multimedia Tech. Also, make sure you rename it as your initials or your first and last name. The presentation is set up so that when we click through the presentation in presentation mode, each one has a transition. We'll put our joke question up here, we'll put a picture that goes with it, and then when you click again, you'll have your joke answers. So you'll say your joke, have your image, and then the answer will come up when you click. And then you have a blank slide so that you can have room to cut the assignment and then move on to the next video. So you'll record it all as one video, or you can record it as two separate ones. And you're clicking each time to make something move. Hit escape to exit presentation mode. If you don't remember what your jokes are that were approved, you can go back to Joke of the Day Part 1 and click on the Use Jokes. It should be here with your name next to them. And so first I'm going to grab my first joke. I'm going to double click, copy the words, go to my presentation, and this is my joke question. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste. These words are not set up the same way as the font, so I need to make them the same. So I'm going to select these words and I'm going to get the format painter and I'm going to paint over them to make them look the same. And then I'm going to delete the words joke question. Because this isn't actually a question, it's a statement. I know a bunch of good jokes about umbrellas. I'm going to add 3 dots because it's like we're waiting for your answer. Go back and get my answer. Control C to copy. Click next to joke answer. Control V to paste or right click. Get my format painter to make it the same size font. And then I need to get a picture. And because this is a continuation of the sentence, I don't need to capitalize, I don't need to capitalize the B. So now I'm going to find a picture of an umbrella. Searching from the internet. I'm going to insert it, make it a little bit smaller, and cover the word image. Then I'm going to go back to slide 2, and I'm going to make sure that I type my first and last name for joke of the day on slide 2 and on slide 5. And so far, this is how my presentation looks. I'm clicking. I know a bunch of good jokes about umbrellas. Clicking, but they usually go over people's heads. And so that's what I'm going to do for slide 6 with my second joke. Exactly the same way. If there's a question mark at the end of your joke, you need to make sure that you put the question mark at the end. If the second statement, if the answer is not a part of the sentence, it needs to be capitalized. Once my presentation is done, so both slides 2 and 3, 5 and 6 are completed, now I'm ready to go to Canvas and I can submit this using the Google Doc icon and submit the entire presentation. You need to make sure that you give us your entire presentation so that we can click through it and make sure that it works correctly so that you're ready for the last part of Joke of the Day, and that is recording your videos and editing them.